Did you know you could cooperate with the police, blow into the evidentiary breath test device as hard as you can, and still be charged with a refusal? It's true. Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm here to talk to you about what I call false refusal. If you've never had to blow into a breath test device, then you don't realize just how much air it takes. They tell you harder, 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 and you blow and blow and blow and blow until the machine finally beeps. Well, Virginia's machine, the ECIR2, requires 1.5 liters of breath. That's 1,500 cubic centimeters of breath. And that's a lot. The problem is that that's pretty close to the lung capacity of some smaller people, or older people, or smokers, or anyone with any sort of lung difficulty. Even for a larger, healthy adult, it's a huge amount of air. Whenever the breath test device doesn't register enough air, the operator is going to find one thing at fault, and it's not him, it's not the machine, it's you. They're always going to say that their machine, which by the way is among the cheapest on the market, thanks Virginia, is never at fault. It must be your fault. I routinely hear, well, he just didn't blow hard enough, or he was playing games. He was attempting to fool the device. Now, they don't know any of this to be true. They just like to say it. So this breath test device, the ECIR2, requires 1.5 liters of air. That's a completely arbitrary number. It's just a number set by this company, a company that isn't elected, a company that isn't given the authority to decide how much air should be in your lungs. But the Virginia Department of Forensic Science and the company that owns the ECIR2 have arbitrarily decided if you blow 1,500 cc's, 1,500 cubic centimeters of air, you're cooperating, you're doing it right. If you blow 1,499 cc's of air, you're not, you're refusing. So folks, your attorney should get hold of the calibration documents and the results of your breath test, not just the sheet that they issue. They should do either a Freedom of Information Act request or a subpoena ducis tecum to the Department of Forensic Science for all the information about these breath tests. What you will see is that very often the person who's accused of a refusal has produced 1,350 cc's of air, 1,425 cc's of air. They are not attempting to evade the law. That's just all the air they could force out. There are also lots of other great pieces of information that you can get from that subpoena or from that FOIA request. Ask your attorney to do it if he's not already going to do it. If you have any questions about the false refusal, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. And you have a great day.